Late last year, I had the pleasure of attending my friend's wedding in Germany, flying in from London for the weekend. For this trip, I opted to take the Bennett Winch SC Holdall bag, as it was perfect for transporting my tuxedo. In this video, I'll be sharing my thoughts on this bag and my experience using it, along with some tips on how to pack for a weekend away to attend a wedding. When I received the SC Holdall bag, I was absolutely blown away by the attention to detail and quality of the packaging. The bag was wrapped in a tasteful branded tissue paper and placed in a high-quality branded dust bag. Even the box that the bag came in was a work of art, with a simple yet elegant design that perfectly complemented the bag. What really stood out to me was the thoughtfulness of the company. The owners had signed a card to say thank you for the purchase, which is a personal touch that is rare these days. It's clear that they take great pride in their product, and it made me feel like a valued customer. The bag itself is made from waterproof nylon and leather, and the attention to detail in the design is evident. Its timeless classic look has a simple yet elegant design. Interestingly, this bag also has a James Bond connection. In the movie No Time to Die, Daniel Craig's Bond was given his tuxedo in the suit carrier section of this bag. For those of you who have seen my previous video, you'll know that I'm a huge James Bond fan. I'll link to my minimalist take on a James Bond outfit from Spectre in the description. Overall, I was incredibly impressed by the tasteful packaging and design of the Bennett Winch SC Holdall. I couldn't wait to try it out on my weekend away in Germany. One of the standout features of the Bennett Winch SC Holdall bag is its suit carrier section. This section is designed to keep your suit or formal attire in pristine condition during travel. The high quality lining protects your clothing from wrinkles and damage, while the spacious interior can accommodate a full suit. The hanger clip keeps your clothes securely in place, and it can be easily removed from the bag for added convenience. In addition to the suit carrier section, the bag has a spacious 32-litre capacity main compartment for larger items, as well as a smaller front pocket for essentials like your passport, wallet and phone. At 55 cm long, 17.7 cm wide and 45 cm high, this bag fits perfectly in the overhead compartment, even on smaller aircraft, but it is not designed to fit under the seat as a personal item. As a minimalist who loves high-quality, versatile pieces, I carefully selected items that not only looked great, but also made me feel confident and comfortable. I wanted to pack light for my weekend trip to Germany, so I chose pieces that could be combined to create multiple outfits. The Bennett Winch SC Holdall bag easily accommodated all of my items, which included my midnight colour tuxedo, black dress shoes, tan 5-pocket jeans, a black shawl neck cardigan, heather grey crew neck tee, and a pair of desert boots in dark brown, as well as my underwear of course. By mixing and matching these items, along with slate grey trousers, classic white shirt, black v-neck sweater, double-breasted peacoat and black Chelsea boots I wore on travel days, I was able to create several different outfits that were appropriate for various occasions. In addition to my clothing, I was also able to pack my toiletry kit, M2 MacBook Air, M2 iPad Pro and charge kit. Overall, the Bennett Winch SC Holdall bag was the perfect showcase for my minimalist approach to packing, featuring a few high-quality, versatile pieces that could be combined to create multiple looks. As for my experience with the bag, it was mostly positive. The Bennett Winch SC Holdall bag easily accommodated all of my items. However, there are a few cons that I noticed during my use of the bag. Mainly, as the bag is quite wide, it knocked into my legs a lot while I was carrying it, which is quite annoying. Additionally, the position of the hanger inside the suit carrier section when wrapped around the bag was on the inside. I could feel this digging and rubbing into my leg when I was carrying the bag, which was also quite frustrating. It would have been better if they had reversed the exterior so that the logo was behind the hanger and therefore on the outside of the bag. Overall, I highly recommend the Bennett Winch SC Holdall bag. It's a great investment for anyone who travels frequently and wants a high quality, versatile bag that can handle all of their needs. While it may be on the pricier side, I paid £750, it's now £895. Its suit carrier section and thoughtful design make it a unique addition for frequent travellers, especially those who need to transport formal attire. Although there are more affordable options available, this bag's exceptional quality and durability make it a lifetime purchase that will bring joy and convenience for years to come. However, it's worth keeping in mind the cons and considering whether this would be a deal breaker for you. I found the bag to be ideal for a driving trip where I didn't have to walk around with it for extended periods. However, if you plan to use public transport or explore a destination on foot, I would recommend a spinner wheel carry-on instead. And if you'd like to see my review of such a bag, check out my 1-year review of the Away Travel Bigger Carry-On, linked in the end card of this video. I hope you found this review useful. If you did, be sure to leave it a like so YouTube knows it's a good video and will recommend it to others. Thanks for watching. If you have any comments, please do leave them below and I'll do my best to get back to you. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel for more reviews and travel content, and I'll see you on the next one.